Hey, what up YouTube? Today on my RC channel, I'm going to kick off Project Big Daddy. This clodbuster kit from ThunderTech Racing. This is the Rage Pro chassis kit with the wheel wideners and the MIP CVDs. Also, I'm using the ThunderTech steering kit on both ends instead of just the front to get four-wheel steering. But today, I'm going to show you how to install the CVDs and the locker and start the steering. Follow along as I kick off Project Big Daddy and get this truck rolling. Alright guys, right now is the time to use this drill template to drill the holes for the lower links on the axles before you assemble it with CVDs, because this hole won't fit over the CVDs. I'm going to show you the assembly of the front axle because obviously I had some practice on the rear axle and this one went a lot smoother, with the exception of a couple of differences which I will stop and explain those differences as we go. The biggest difference between the front axle and the rear axle is that in the rear axle, I'm going to install this differential locker. This ThunderTech locker is pretty cool. You just knock out the spider gears out of the differential. And these guys, let me pull one out so you can see. Ooh. Just click into place where those spider gears used to go. Like so. Now, one side has hexes. Oh, you can't really see it in this. But one side has hexes to hold the nylock nuts in place, and it comes with all the hardware you need to install it. This is where I'm going to leave this video off because I'm still waiting for my Episode1.2 servo savers, the large, extra strong servo savers, as recommended by ThunderTech Racing for this build. In the next video, I'll be assembling the lower links and chassis for that ThunderTech Racing Pro kit. So stay tuned and follow along for more action. Don't forget, I am giving away a Tamiya TC01. So if you want to win that TC01, or at least have the chance to win that TC01, subscribe to my channel, go to my playlist giveaways, and comment on the TC01 video subscribed. Your chance to win that car. Alright guys, be good to each other. Peace!